Orthographic projections. Now let us consider the reference planes, horizontal plane, vertical plane and profile plane. The horizontal plane and vertical plane both are 90 degrees apart in the L shape, whereas the profile plane or the side plane will be fixed along with your VP with the hinges, and then the HP also fitted with the VP with the hinges. So now let us consider an object. So just like a victory stand, which is having a shape like this, is just kept above your HP. Now we are going to view this object from the top. You will be getting some view on the horizontal plane. When you just see from the front, you will be getting some views on the front view, and then when you view from the side, you will be getting some views on your profile plane or side plane. So let us consider this victory stand is some 20 mm above HP, that is this distance. So this 20 mm will be visible only in the vertical plane, and then it is 50 mm in front of your VP. So this 50 mm will be visible from the HP only, of course in the profile plane also. Now when you view from the top, we can see this complete rectangle and this rectangle and this. So these three surfaces we can see when you just view from the top. Here we can notice this height of these objects will not be visible. Now the top view which is obtained on the horizontal plane is shown in the green color. So here it is, this width will be equal to the width of this object, and then this length will be equal to the length of this object. So here this height cannot be seen on your horizontal plane. Now let us come to your front view. See, when you view from the front in this direction, now we can view this area completely, but these areas will not be visible. So of course this distance, this perpendicular distance to the HP plane we cannot see. So the view obtained is just shown here. It is the shape you will be getting in your vertical plane as a front view. So this height will be equal to this distance, and then the total height of the object will be just seen here, and then this width will be equal to the width of this object. Of course this will be directly against this object. When you project this object on the vertical plane and then drop a vertical line, these lines will be coinciding. This line as well as this line will be coinciding. So this is your front view, and then this distance, above distance, is also maintained as it is. Now when you can view from the side, here we can view this surface area as well as this surface area, but we cannot view this as well as this surface area. So these two squares can be seen as two squares combined together, joined together as a side view. So this width will be equal to the width of this object, and then the height will be equal to this height of this object. So this is your side view. After projecting this, we are going to remove this object and then going to rotate the planes in a corresponding directions, or the horizontal plane is rotated in the clockwise direction downward, so that with this hinge this will be coming down, and then this profile plane will be tilted along the vertical plane in the outward direction. So after rotating this, these orientations of the views as well as the position of the planes are just shown here. So this is the position of the corresponding planes. This is the vertical plane and profile plane, and this one is horizontal plane. So in the vertical plane we are getting the front view, in the horizontal plane we are getting the top view, and the side view is obtained at your profile plane or side plane. Here the front view is exactly aligned with your top view. So these edges are coinciding. So in the top view we are getting this dimension. From this XY line, the distance is in front of distance. The object is 50 mm in front of distance. So the 50 mm will be maintained here. And then 20 mm above HP, this 20 mm will be maintained at your front view. Now these, all the corners will be coinciding here. This will be coinciding here and this will be coinciding here. Similarly the side view, this edge will be exactly coinciding here. this distance is also equal to 50 mm, whereas this 50 mm can be coming here also. So to obtain this, we can draw one horizontal line. From this center point we can draw one arc, so exactly it will be coinciding with this side view. So the side view, front view as well as the top view will be aligned each other in a proper orientation when an object is projected in VP, HP as well as the profile plane. Of course we can get one more side view also. From this side, from the other side when you just have, there is one more side view will be obtained here. Just for simplicity I have shown only one side view only. This is the basics of projection. Thank you.